The DJI Osmo Action 6 has taken the action camera world by storm, with a wave of leaks, rumors, and insider reports suggesting that this upcoming release will not just be another incremental update, but a revolutionary step forward in the realm of portable, professional-grade filming devices, promising features that could very well redefine what creators, adventurers, and extreme sports enthusiasts expect from an action camera in 2025 and beyond, beginning with its rumored 1-inch stacked sensor, which would mark an unprecedented development for DJI's line of action cameras, delivering incredibly detailed, high-fidelity footage with exceptional low-light performance, expanded dynamic range, and vivid color reproduction, enabling filmmakers to capture every nuance and highlights and shadows with cinematic precision. While the anticipated 8K video recording support could allow creators to film at resolutions that were previously impossible in a device this size, opening doors for advanced post-production techniques, cropping, digital stabilization, and framing flexibility without compromising on quality, making this camera potentially invaluable, not only for vloggers and social media content creators, but also for professional filmmakers who require portable, high-resolution options for capturing adventure, sports, and travel footage with unparalleled clarity and detail. And with DJI's advanced RockSteady 4.0 stabilization and the AI-powered RockSteady reportedly included, footage is expected to remain buttery smooth even in the most extreme conditions. Whether that involves cycling over rocky trails, skydiving from high altitudes, surfing monstrous waves, or skiing down treacherous slopes. While the slow-motion recording options of 4K at 120 frames per second and 1080p at 240 frames per second promise the ability to capture the subtlest details of motion, turning every high-speed moment into an epic cinematic sequence that viewers will feel immersed in, a feature that alone could redefine how action sequences are filmed on a compact device, allowing creators to produce dramatic, highly engaging visual content without the need for bulky professional gear. And adding to the camera's versatility, smartwatch integration, rumored to include both Apple Watch and Garmin compatibility, could allow creators to fully control recording, change settings, and even preview live footage directly from their wrist, offering unprecedented convenience for solo adventurers, athletes, and filmmakers operating in environments where hands-on control of the camera is impractical or unsafe, making it an indispensable companion for extreme sports, outdoor exploration, and high-stakes filming scenarios. While reports of improved thermal management and dual battery support suggest the Action 6 will allow extended filming sessions without overheating or power interruptions, a critical enhancement for creators embarking on long expeditions, multi-hour shoots, or intense outdoor adventures where charging options may be limited, further positioning this camera as a serious tool for professional content creation. While AI-powered features, rumored to include automatic horizon leveling, real-time scene recognition, intelligent exposure adjustments, and color optimization, promise to simplify the creative process, enabling users to produce polished, cinematic quality footage with minimal manual intervention, combined with potential ProRes support for professional editing workflows, offering complete creative control in post-production and making it feasible to deliver broadcast-ready content straight from a device that fits in the palm of your hand. And as for the physical design, leaks indicate a rugged, waterproof body built to withstand extreme environmental conditions while remaining sleek, portable and user-friendly, featuring an intuitive touchscreen interface, responsive buttons, and versatile mounting options for helmets, drones, tripods, or other gear, ensuring that no type of adventure is out of reach. While the expected pricing, rumored to start at $329 for the standard combo and $479 for the adventure combo with additional mounts and accessories, provides a compelling balance between affordability and professional-level capability. And with pre-orders likely to open in mid-October 2025 and shipping by late October, anticipation is building rapidly among the community of creators, tech enthusiasts, and extreme sports athletes who are eager to experience what could be one of the most talked-about camera releases of the year. And when you consider the combination of all these elements, the massive sensor, 8K video recording, AI-enhanced stabilization, smartwatch integration, dual battery life, thermal management, rugged design, intelligent scene recognition, cinematic slow motion, ProRes support, and flexible mounting options, the DJI Osmo Action 6 appears poised to set a new benchmark in the action camera market, offering a level of performance, versatility, and creative freedom that has never before been seen in a device of this size, appealing not only to professional creators seeking a portable, high-quality alternative to large and expensive camera rigs, but also to adventurers, travel vloggers, athletes, and anyone looking to capture life's most extreme moments in the highest possible detail and quality, essentially transforming the way content is captured, edited, and experienced, while inspiring creators to push the limits of what is possible, experiment with new perspectives, and capture thrilling, visually stunning narratives that were once only achievable with bulky, high-end cinema cameras. And as rumors suggest, the Action 6 could also include intuitive software enhancements, smarter autofocus, faster frame processing, superior low-light stabilization, and advanced HDR video capture, enabling users to film in challenging lighting conditions with confidence, delivering footage that is both professional and immersive, while providing the flexibility to handle a wide variety of filming scenarios, from extreme sports and adventure filmmaking to travel, documentary projects, and everyday lifestyle vlogging, effectively bridging the gap between consumer convenience and professional performance, making it arguably one of the most versatile, high-performance action cameras ever conceived. And if these leaks and rumors hold true, the DJI Osmo Action 6 is not just an incremental update. It is a device that could revolutionize the way creators and adventurers capture, experience, and share their stories, offering unprecedented power, portability, and creative possibilities in a single compact, rugged, and intelligently designed device. And whether you are an extreme sports enthusiast looking to capture every adrenaline-pumping moment, a filmmaker aiming for cinematic quality results on the go, or a casual content creator seeking to elevate your videos to a professional level, this camera appears poised to deliver an unmatched combination of innovation, reliability, and performance that could make it the go-to choice for a wide spectrum of users, effectively changing the landscape of action cameras, pushing technological boundaries, and setting new expectations for what portable filmmaking devices can achieve in terms of image quality, stabilization, versatility, and creative potential, ultimately making every adventure, every high-speed moment, every scenic landscape, and every spontaneous experience an opportunity to create breathtaking content that rivals professional productions, all within the palm of your hand and ready to capture the extraordinary from the ordinary, elevating the art of action filmmaking to heights previously thought impossible in a single compact device. And for anyone seeking the ultimate combination of performance, durability, cinematic quality, and creative freedom, the DJI Osmo Action 6 may well represent the pinnacle of action camera technology, a device that encourages creators to explore, experiment, and innovate while capturing life's most thrilling moments in unprecedented clarity, stability, and visual fidelity, turning every shot into a story, every adventure into a cinematic experience, and every moment into an unforgettable memory. In conclusion, the DJI Osmo Action 6 is shaping up to be a true game-changer in the world of action cameras, combining groundbreaking technology, professional-grade features, and unmatched versatility into a compact, portable device that could redefine what creators, adventurers, and extreme sports enthusiasts expect from their gear. From the rumored 1-inch stacked sensor and 8K video recording to advanced stabilization, AI-powered enhancements, smartwatch integration, extended battery life, and rugged design, every aspect of this camera seems designed to empower users to capture life's most thrilling moments with cinematic precision and creative freedom, making it not just a tool but a companion for storytelling, adventure, and innovation. And if the leaks and rumors hold true, the Action 6 may well set a new benchmark in portable filmmaking, inspiring creators to push boundaries, explore new perspectives, and elevate every experience into unforgettable, visually stunning content, proving that in the realm of action cameras, the future has never looked more exciting.